Hi, and welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting topics in sustainable energy, biomass feedstocks for charcoal production. If you've ever wondered where charcoal comes from, stick with us. Let's break it down. Biomass feedstocks are organic materials that can be used to produce energy, in this case, charcoal. They're renewable and can come from various sources, like plants, agricultural residues, and even waste from industries. Let's start with some common biomass feedstocks for charcoal making. Wood is the most popular and widely used feedstock. Hardwoods like oak, hickory, and maple are preferred for their density, but softwoods like pine and spruce work too. These trees are abundant in regions like North America, Europe, and parts of Asia. Agricultural residues, things like corn stalks, rice husks, wheat straw, and even coconut shells. These materials are often found in farming regions, especially in places like Southeast Asia, South America, and Africa. Fruit and nut shells, like those from palm, almonds, and even peanuts, can also be used to create charcoal. Areas with large nut production, like Brazil or parts of Africa, often turn their leftover shells into a valuable charcoal feedstock. Forest residues, such as branches, leaves, wood shavings, bark, and sawdust from sawmills, are excellent feedstocks. Countries with vast forests like Canada and Russia generate large quantities of these byproducts. There are also some other biomass raw materials that can be used to make charcoal, such as sugarcane bagasse, the fibrous waste left after extracting sugar juice in sugar-producing areas such as Brazil and India. There are also some kitchen waste, animal manure, industrial sludge, etc., which can also be used to make charcoal. Well, that's it for our quick look at the most common biomass raw materials used in charcoal production. As you can see, there is no shortage of materials for making sustainable charcoal. By utilizing these biomass resources, we not only produce high-quality charcoal, but also create a carbon-neutral solution for replacement. Want to learn more about how our biomass charcoal making machine can help you? Contact us now!